So you're looking for 700+% ROI. You're also looking for 300 leads in a week. You need 150 appointments to go with that, right? Great. My name is Dominic Scruggs. I am the CEO of Willowood Ventures Facebook event sales. Let me tell you how you can do it too. What separates us from the next guy doing the same exact event, right? Everybody does the same thing, except we're just a little bit different, and here's where. Number one is we are an event for car guys, by car guys. I've got 20+ years of experience. Everybody that's gonna be involved in your sale is a veteran of the industry, okay? This is not an advertising agency. We are car people that have been where you've been. I understand the manufacturer's demands. I understand having to answer to an owner or a dealership group that is looking for results. And I also understand that BDP views and leads is not necessarily what drives business. What drives business is live people in the showroom, appointments, and that's what we do. We serve them unique dealer branded advertising that will get them to your showroom, and we can do this within 2 days. This isn't like direct mail. We don't need weeks of planning. You won't get anything lost in the mail. Guys, you will get live customers in your showroom that are not gift seekers. These are people looking for a deal. Most importantly, they're looking for a deal today. So all you have to do is start today, give us a call, or more importantly, click the button below and get started today with Willowood Ventures. Your ROI is one click away.